Raising a perfect pup begins long before your new companion bounds through your front door with a wagging tail and bright, trusting eyes. It starts with intention, patience, and the commitment to nurture not just a pet, but a lifelong friend. Whether you're welcoming the fluffiest little ball of energy or a shy rescue in need of extra care, the journey you embark on together is one of heart, responsibility, and adventure. To begin, setting the stage for your puppy's new life is essential. Imagine the world through their eyes, a mysterious place teeming with sights, sounds, and smells they've never experienced. Your home should become a sanctuary, a safe and structured environment for growth. Puppy-proofing goes beyond hiding shoes and dangling cords. Remove hazardous chemicals, tuck away fragile possessions, and block off rooms that could present danger. Set up a cozy sleeping area, preferably a crate or a soft bed in a quiet, low-traffic part of your home. Here, your pup will learn to feel safe and secure, a vital building block for well-being. Nutrition forms the foundation for your puppy's health and development. Choose a balanced, high-quality puppy food appropriate for their breed, size, and age. Feed small, consistent meals at regular intervals to establish routine and prevent overeating. Fresh water should always be readily available. Resist the urge to share table scraps, as many human foods are harmful to dogs. Healthy eating habits in these early months help prevent a lifetime of digestive issues and obesity. Once your pup is settled, the true adventure of training and socialization begins. The first weeks are crucial for shaping behavior, much like wet clay before it hardens. Use positive reinforcement, treats, praise, and affection, so your pup associates good behavior with happiness. Basic commands form the framework for communication. Sit, stay, come, and leave it. Be patient and keep training sessions short and fun. Puppies have brief attention spans. Socialization is about gently introducing your pup to the great wide world. Expose them to a variety of people, animals, sounds, and experiences. Schedule playdates with other vaccinated puppies, walk on different surfaces, and bring your puppy along on car rides. Early positive exposure fosters curiosity and confidence, reducing the risk of fearfulness later in life. Consistency is your secret weapon. Dogs crave structure and predictability, and a set routine for feeding, potty breaks, play, and rest reassures your puppy and speeds their adjustment. Potty training may test your composure, but patience pays off. Puppies cannot control their bladders for long, so frequent trips outside, especially after eating, playing, or waking from a nap, are key. Celebrate successes with plenty of praise, and when accidents happen, never punish your pup. Redirect and reinforce the right behavior instead. Boundaries set with love and clarity are the first steps to a respectful relationship. If a behavior is undesirable as an adult dog, jumping on people, chewing furniture, begging at the table, discourage it early. Redirect energy into approved outlets. Provide puzzle toys for chewing, designated blankets for digging, or games for active play. Most importantly, lead by example and avoid encouraging behaviors you hope to change later. Proper vet care begins from day one. Schedule a checkup soon after bringing your puppy home to establish a health baseline. Vaccinations, deworming, and discussions around flea and tick prevention are essential. Your vet can also offer guidance on nutrition, development, and spaying or neutering. Keep a file to track medical records and never hesitate to ask questions. Your veterinarian is your most valuable ally. Beyond the basics, nurturing a perfect pup means meeting both their physical and emotional needs. Puppies brim with curiosity and energy. They relish challenges and thrive on interactive play. Walks not only tire their bodies, but provide critical opportunities for mental enrichment and socialization. Puzzle toys or treat-dispensing gadgets keep your puppy engaged while you're busy, warding off boredom and the mischief it can bring. Remember, every puppy is unique. Understanding your dog's breed tendencies can help guide training, exercise, and enrichment. A herding breed may love agility games, while a scent hound may excel at nose work. Mixed breed pups are often delightful mysteries, surprising you with their quirks and talents. Tailor your approach to your puppy's personality and watch their confidence bloom. As your puppy grows, challenges will arise. Teething, chewing, and the so-called teenage phase of adolescence require patience and adaptability. When frustration flares, take a deep breath. Remember, behavior is rarely about defiance. Most often, it's a form of communication, a need or discomfort expressed in the only way your pup knows how. Address the root cause, hunger, boredom, anxiety, rather than simply correcting the symptom. Affection is the heart of your relationship. Set aside quiet moments for cuddles, gentle brushing, or simply sitting together in silence. These moments build trust, forging an unbreakable bond. Communication grows richer with time. Soon, a glance, a tail wag, or a whine will speak volumes. Celebrate life's everyday victories together, from your puppy's first successful sit to their tentative exploration of a new park. Part of raising a perfect pup is recognizing when you need help. Puppy classes led by skilled trainers are invaluable, providing socialization and education for both dog and human. If difficulties persist, separation anxiety, excessive fear, or aggression, reach out to a qualified behaviorist. There is no shame in seeking support. In fact, it's a sign of dedication and love. As your bond deepens, never lose sight of the vital importance of play and joy. Puppies remind us that life is meant to be savored, one romp, one belly rub, and one wild dash across the yard at a time. Playtime helps release energy, keeps your puppy fit, and forges positive memories. Rotate toys to keep things fresh, and invent new games that challenge mind and body alike. Careful grooming, tailored to your puppy's coat type, keeps them comfortable and clean. For some, a simple brush will suffice. For others, regular professional grooming may be needed. Begin handling your puppy's paws, ears, and mouth early so that nail trims and vet checks are stress-free. Transform grooming into a bonding ritual rather than a chore. Training doesn't end after the first few months. In truth, it's a lifelong journey. Continue to introduce new commands, activities, and environments. Trick training and canine sports can provide exercise and mental stimulation well into adulthood. These shared experiences deepen your relationship and keep your pup's mind sharp. Finally, raising a perfect pup is less about achieving perfection and more about forging a deep, lasting companionship. There will be moments of frustration and embarrassment. Shoes will be chewed, muddy paw prints will cross the kitchen floor, and at times your patience will surely be tested. Yet these moments are fleeting compared to the joy, loyalty, and unconditional love your dog will give in return. With patience, empathy, and a willingness to grow alongside your puppy, you set the course for a partnership that will enrich every aspect of your life. Your guidance will help your pup blossom into a happy, confident, and respectful companion, one who meets the world eager, open-hearted, and utterly devoted. So cherish every stage, from the first clumsy steps to the dignified wisdom of old age. Raise your puppy not simply with rules, but with gentle leadership, affection, and respect. In return, your pup will become far more than the perfect dog. They will be your irreplaceable friend, loyal confidant, and a source of unwavering joy. Every day you share together,